studying about the 4/5 crown and 7/8 crown, and I am Dr. Chaya Pandey, Youth Mentor.
There are 7 types of partial coverage retainer. First one is 3/4 crown, second is reverse 3/4 crown, third is modified 3/4 crown, fourth is 4/5 crown, fifth is 7/8 crown, sixth is proximal half crown, and the seventh is pinledge crown.
In the last video on types of partial coverage crown, we already covered the 3/4 crown and reverse 3/4 crown. Now in this video, we will discuss 4/5 crown and 7/8 crown in detail.
Now what is 4/5 crown? This type of crown is mainly given in the posterior teeth. Look, when we are talking about the posterior teeth, we have 5 surfaces, that is distal surface, mesial surface, occlusal surface, facial surface and lingual surface. Okay. Out of these 5, we are preparing only 4 surfaces. And what are these 4 surfaces that we are going to prepare? Occlusal surface, mesial surface, distal surface, and the lingual surface. That is, we are leaving this facial surface unprepared. So what we learn? Facial surface remains untouched or without preparation, and all other surfaces are covered in 4/5 crown and mainly given in the posterior teeth. This is how a 4/5 crown look like. We have left this buccal surface remain unprepared, and all other surfaces we have given the 4/5 retainer. Now the fourth one is 7/8 crown. This is basically given in the maxillary first molar, where we are not preparing the mesiobuccal cusp. That is, mesiobuccal cusp is left intact and all other surfaces are covered. So this is buccal surface, this is mesial surface. So this is the mesiobuccal cusp, and we're gonna leave this mesiobuccal cusp unprepared, and all other surfaces are prepared in 7/8 crown. This is usually given in the maxillary first molars. This is how the 7/8 crown look like. This is the mesiobuccal cusp which remains unprepared. Now why only this mesiobuccal cusp is left unprepared? Because this half of buccal surface, that is mesiobuccal cusp, is aesthetically visible. Okay, so for aesthetic reason we are leaving this mesiobuccal surface uncovered. Now what are the indications and contraindications of 7/8 crown? Indication: it restores the maxillary first molar where the mesiobuccal enamel surface is intact and where aesthetic is needed. That is, if the mesiobuccal cusp enamel is sound and intact, then there we can give this 7/8 crown, and also where there is the need of aesthetic, we can also give this 7/8 crown. Now what are the contraindications? Where there is some defect or aesthetically compromised quality in the buccal enamel of mesiobuccal cusp. That is, if the mesiobuccal cusp is weak, we have to cover that cusp also, so we can't give there 7/8 crown or retainer. Now what are the advantages and disadvantages of 7/8 crown? Advantages: better aesthetic than full coverage, and better retention and resistance than 3/4 crown. Now what are the disadvantages? Skill sensitive. That is, for preparing for tooth preparation of the 7/8, there is more skill needed.
If you find this video helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Icon Shadow. Let's talk dental.